What's up, golfers? If you're looking to unleash longer, straighter drives in 2025, you've come to the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best golf drivers for 2025, the ones that testers and fitters are raving about. Whether you're chasing maximum distance, deadly accurate fairways, or forgiveness when you miss the sweet spot, we've got you covered. I'll highlight what makes each driver special so you can see which one fits your game. And yes, you'll find product links in the description below so you can check pricing, shafts, and specs in one click. Let's tee it up and dive into the drivers making major waves this year. Callaway Golf ST Max driver. Introducing the Callaway Golf Rogue ST Max driver, a game-changing driver, engineered for ultimate distance, forgiveness, and consistency. Designed with Callaway's innovative jailbreak speed frame and tungsten speed cartridge, this driver optimizes speed across the face and enhances stability on off-center hits. The AI-designed flash face promotes fast ball speeds, while the sleek, confidence-inspiring head shape suits a wide range of golfers. Whether you're looking for explosive distance off the tee or more forgiveness on miss-hits, the Rogue ST Max delivers the perfect balance of power and control. Elevate your game with the technology trusted by pros and loved by everyday golfers. The 4. Cobra Golf Men's Darkspeed X driver. Looking for explosive distance and precision off the tee? The Cobra Golf Men's Darkspeed X driver is built to deliver next-level speed, forgiveness, and control for golfers of all skill levels. Designed with a lightweight carbon chassis and aerodynamic shaping, this driver maximizes clubhead speed for incredible distance while maintaining stability and feel. The pure shell face with HOT face technology ensures faster ball speeds across the face, even on off-center hits. Plus, with adjustable weighting and loft settings, you can fine-tune your launch and spin for your ideal ball flight. Whether you're chasing distance or consistency, the Darkspeed X driver gives you the confidence to attack every fairway. 3. Cleveland Golf HiBore XL driver. Introducing the Cleveland HiBore XL driver, where AI shaping and advanced engineering meet pure performance. Designed with an innovative AI-assisted chassis, this driver delivers enhanced forgiveness, a powerful sound at impact, and one of the largest ball-striking areas in the game, helping amateur golfers gain distance and keep more drives in play. The mainframe XL face features a variable thickness pattern that maximizes flex and energy transfer for faster ball speeds and consistency, even on off-center hits. Meanwhile, Active Wing technology uses a unique aerodynamic airfoil design to stabilize your downswing and guide the club face perfectly into impact, making it easier to find the sweet spot every time. And with new adjustability options, including a rear 12-key weight and Cleveland's 1.5 degrees adjustable hosel sleeve, the HiBore XL gives you full control to fine-tune your loft, face, and lie angles for your perfect swing. 2. Performance Golf SF1 driver. Unlike those big-name drivers built for the pros, where distance comes first and forgiveness comes last, the SF1 is the first driver designed so that every single feature works in your favor. It's built to help you shape controlled cuts or smooth baby draws on 10, 12, even 14 holes around, building your confidence and boosting your performance. Featuring state-of-the-art engineering inspired by race car cornering technology, the Aero Square crown helps the toe close faster, squaring the face right at impact. With square face technology, a draw-calibrated face angle, and optimized weighting, the SF1 helps you drive the ball with less effort and more control. And with its premium counterbalance shaft and sleek, modern look, the SF1 doesn't just perform, it turns heads. You no longer have to choose between looks and performance. With the SF1, you get both. 1. TaylorMade Golf SIM2 Max driver. Introducing the new forged ring construction, a breakthrough in golf club engineering. Forged from lightweight, high-strength aluminum and precisely milled for optimal performance. It integrates a massive rear weight, full carbon sole and crown, and a new milled back cup face to deliver incredible stability and power. The SIM inertia generator uses advanced aerodynamic geometry to boost club head speed for longer, faster shots. With speed-injected twist face technology, each club is tuned to the legal speed limit, providing explosive ball speed and correcting heel or toe miss-hits. The through-slot speed pocket enhances flexibility, maximizing forgiveness and ball speed on low face strikes. Finally, split mass weighting ensures exceptional forgiveness and precision balance, giving golfers a perfect combination of control and distance. All right, that wraps up our roundup of the top 5 best golf drivers for 2025. Whether you're looking for distance, forgiveness, or that perfect swing feel, one of these drivers is sure to level up your game. If you want to check out any of these drivers, I've included all the product links in the description below. Just click and see which one suits you best. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a review. See you in the next video, and happy golfing.